but today we are in a good mood because I think we got a solution and we're working on it. Welcome back to the Boost District channel. Today's a ZR1 day. We haven't really had a dedicated track day for this specific car, but today we are. As you guys know, I own the slowest ZR1 in the world. Not a really good record to have, but the fastest we've gone on this thing is the 10.0 at the 148. Today, we're putting all the time that we have to it, and also we fixed some of the problems that we found in the car from stock, from OEM. When we got this thing from the factory, when me and Diego picked this up, we actually were smelling coolant in front of the car, and we found out what it was. The front where the intercooler system is actually was less bled, so we were having some intake air temperature issues on the car, and that's been rebled, and we fixed the fitting that was leaking in the car. So that's been sorted, and now it's going to be running in a proper temperature where it needs to be. We also discussed this on the previous video. If you didn't watch it, I just want to say it again. Next thing what we did is actually also reflash the car. We have GM tools in-house in our shop. So we reflashed the car to the OEM settings, to the proper new updates that GM sent. So that's been updated on the car. Now let's get to the fun part. We added a set of wheel and tires. Signature Wheels sent us a set of wheel and tires. We have 20 inch in the front, 20 inch in the front, 20 inch in the rear, with a drag radial in the rear, with a stock brake still in the system. Now we're gonna see if this thing can launch and hit it pretty hard off the dig. And we also have a 20 inch front tires in it to keep it street friendly and drive it anywhere if we want to. If you guys want these wheels and tires, also available from us if you guys have a ZR1. And while we're at it, we also added the Stage 2 Boost District high flow cats that is available on the site, and also added a catback exhaust that is AWE switch path mode exhaust. So it's dual mode, loud and quiet, and still available to be quiet and if you want to be stealthy
street
and loud.
Friendly.
Exactly, street friendly. If you want to bring your wife out, have some fun, take it for date night, which I do. You know, we did that. So let's
my favorite part.
Yes.
The intake.
The intake. We added a set of Forza colder intake on the car that just to give it a little bit of different spice. Everybody's been doing inventory. I wanted to do something different just to test parts. We're always here. We have a shop. We build parts, but we also test parts. So we can sell you what the proper thing is that make power. And if it doesn't make power, we won't recommend it to you. But for now, we have it in the car. We'll test it on the dyno when we get back. But for today, we're in a track. Feels really good. About 70 degrees out today, so not too cold, but also realistic temperature for what's out there. I plan to go 8s on it today. Let's see if it happens. That's a really tall task considering we're at 10.0 right now. Going all the way 8s, that's a full second. I think we got this. I think we got it. Last thing that we were gonna add is we have a JB4. Terry and Payam sent us a set of JB4 tuner on this thing. So we're gonna plug it in after we tested our baseline. We're gonna baseline it first, we're gonna add the JB4, and then let's see how fast we really can go with a tuned ZR1 that does not void the stock warranty. So let's hit it, let's go. Alright, stock setting on the car, it went 9.8 at 147 miles per hour. That's launching it at 3,000 RPM, so I just want to be completely transparent. That's not a full tilt launch on a stock car, but we just wanted to shake it down to make sure it's all set. Now let's throw in the JB4 in this car and let's see how much power it picks up. And let's put it at map 0 and run it again, and then put the JB4 into map 1, 2, and 3 and progress from there and see how much power we really pick up and go 8s today. right, guys, so first pass out, we've already gone 9.7 on it. I had to let out on the big end because it sounded like it was popping a little bit. So I just let off and cleaning it up a little bit. So it went 9.7 at 139 miles per hour. And that is with a 1.58 60 foot.
What did it do on the 8th mile?
It did 6.3.
6.3.
Not bad.
Yeah, not bad.
Not bad for a
still
first.
fast.
Yeah, and I launched at 2,300 RPM. So just shaking it down, make sure it's all good and clean, and then I will get back at it.
Turn back up.
Turn back up.
Let's go.
Our JB4 set to map 2 now, which is 93 octane. Let's see how it goes on this run. Hell yeah! We went from the slowest to the fastest ZR1 right now. That's pretty cool.
Actually?
Yeah.
What's the fastest?
Yeah.
Is 9.3 the fastest anymore?
9.2 I think is the fastest. 9.25 or something like that. 9.13 at 154.
That's crazy.
We're knocking it. Knocking it down. We got a couple more tricks. Let's try today and let's see how fast we go. That's pretty cool. We shaved already 0.7 of a second. We're just launching it harder in a map 2. Excited.
Full tilt.
Full tilt. It did seem like it's slipping the clutch up top. So let's see if we can polish that up and fix it right.
Clutch change. You know what AC fast is like? Because you're about to. Hey bro, you gonna look at it like that?
Have you checked the draggy?
I haven't looked. So close. 9.08 at 156.
Right there.
You need to cool it off. Put some ice on the intake.
That's the magic.
So ice on the intake, I'm telling you, let's go.
And he said a little harder launch. I wish it can. Oh, I'm sure we'll figure it out one day.
On the next row, we're all going to get behind you.
And push
and
you.
when you launch, we're going to push. Some of us.
I would love to see Justin push this thing on a launch. He's going to eat it.
I'm more scared about hanging on.
9.8 up to 156. We're on to something. I think we're going to keep I think we're gonna get it.
We'll get there.
We'll get there today. Let's cool it down. Progress on the car. We're still at 9 pounds per boost on this thing. Don't turn it up, really. Car drives good, just good, just crisp. For 9-10 pounds of boost, it's pretty solid. Not bad. I'll take it.
Yeah.
It's not the fastest lick this car has made, but it's proven on how robust the twin turbo kit is, the top mount turbo kit. So I'll take that. Time to load it up.
Let's check the ZR1.
Yeah, let's do it. Alright guys, valiant effort on the ZR1, 9.08, that ends our day today. Not bad, 9.08, 9.28, and another, a drive-through receipt because, we drive it on the streets, no problem. Drag radials, bolt-ons, and a couple other goodies. 9.0 second car, not bad with the JB4. Pretty happy with that results today. Can't wait to go back out next week to see if we can really crack an 8 on this. Like just like the E-Ray, we went 9.0, 9.0, 9.0, and then the next session out, we went 8, 89, and then 867. So we're on the hunt for the car. We're excited. Quick shout out to the Stingray 2, BD 850 power. It ran 967 and 9 pounds of boost. So I'm happy with both cars that performed today. Excited for what's to come. If you guys have a C8 Corvette and looking for parts or want to get your car built, get it built by the best Boost District. See you guys in the next one. Stay boosted. Thank you.